Hello, how are you doing, all my dear friends? I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby here. That's a Scania 770S fully damped, roll on and off. Yeah, with 3 axle. Also, rear axle can be lifted, cutting drive power, also can steering. Rear axle steering with sound and lights, all metal gearbox 3-speed, and middle transfer case differential lock, and all 3 axle differential lock, and also all hubs reduction gearbox. So let's start it to see. First, got all these bumper lights, top lights, and on top roof. So circulating to be off and on one by one. Also the turning lights, last one, turning lights, and turning lights also can be switched on as always flashing warning lights, always flashing. So can drive it without start the engine sound, cancel the warning light, the flashing turning lights, then start the sound. Horn, let's go for a ride, slow drive. So with hub reduction, it's high torque for driver and can drive very slowly, start up, speed up. That's low speed gear. Check the rear light, forward, brake, reverse. Let's check the speed, fully back. First gear, fully forward. Second gear, fully forward. Fully back. High speed gear, fully forward. Back. Shifting back to low speed. Now we will do the damping. So when we sliding it to the most forward position, sliding back, sliding forward, in the rising arm, middle will be locked by pin, so you can do directly damping. Here under the chassis, after rising will be unlocked. Rear side already unlocked, rear door can be opened. Also can be open in the middle to the side, we will see later. Mixer start the pump. In position, lowering. After lowering, then we will slide to back for roll it off. So after rising, when you damping, do not slide into rear because here unlock, it will suddenly drop. Put it down. And when sitting, rear side, it is locked. Check from here, that's the hook. This one, you can lift, unlock, pulling out. Here, the pin, unlock. You can open to side for the door. Lock it back, align it, pulling it, in position, pushing down, lock. Okay, drop it. We will do it on, roll it off. First, slide into rear side. Then you can roll it off on the table. Fully put it on table, then we will see, there is a gap on the table. Let's move a little bit. You have the rollers here, you can see. It's so you can pull, rolling it. Continue going. Okay, drive away. Then if you want to hook it up, only you have to drive to be aligned straight. Then align the hook to the hooking point slowly and slowly backward. Backward, rising a little bit more. Okay, backward. And keep raising it, pull it back. Here also got the roller, so the bucket rolling on it, so not to scratch the painting. Okay, that's how this one working. We will keep it bucket. That's the locking rear door, so when pushing, it will be unlocked. So all this bucket is steel plate welding. Let's check on the chassis. So here, that's what I mean is the locking pin. When sliding to rear, now the pin it is in the slot, it is unlocked. When sliding to front, the pin it is in here, the hook, it will be locked. So it will be acting as one arm for directly dumping. Now, so on top we can see for this arm, it is this middle, that's steel, that's CNC, and for the bottom, this arm, that's all CNC alloy, only the middle, that's steel. So for the chassis, let's see, at the bottom, from front to rear, this main girder, that's steel one. On top, auxiliary girder, that's CNC alloy. And so here, front and rear got these two locking points, pushing to right side, we can unlock the side door. Here that's the battery chamber. Can put a 3S battery. After connect, push the wire in, lock it. So here, cabin door can be open, left and right. Inside that's all the decoration. So check from this side. That's the driver wheel side. Lock it back, and also rear side, that's the cabin lock. It's directly the pin, you can see, align it, push it in, lift up, that's directly locking, yeah. So after lifting, that's the soundboard, the volume control, decrease, increase. Here that's the receiver, and the driver ESC. Here that's the pump ESC. Here that's servo inside the metal gearbox for shifting gear. Let's check. Now it is low speed, middle, low, middle, high. Shifting back to low and slow drive to ensure the gears are engaged. That's die-cast metal shell gearbox simulating real engine. Looks very awesome. And here at the bottom, that's the transfer case. Later we will see from bottom have the transfer case differential lock, align it, lock. Okay, so all this side door box is steel one, only the mudguard, it is plastic. Turn it around, yeah, here that's oil tank fill up from here. And on this box, if you open this cover, you will see the pump and the two-wheel block. So under there, this position, we can see for the steering. So steering servo, that's there, connecting bar. And all the axle is die-cast shell. And for differential lock, and also differential lock. And for the differential lock here, this servo, 3 wires, pulling for 3 axle, lock, unlock, one unlock, drive. Differential now is also unlocked, front not turning. Unlock it, front also turning. So lock the axle differential lock, all wheels drive. Unlock, back, unlock. And here another servo is only pulling 1 wire here for the transfer case. Now it is locked, or 3 axle have power, unlock. It is at the differential, rear have power or front have power. We can check with it on the ground. So differential lock for the middle transfer case unlocked. You can turn it free. So rear drive. So drive. Rear always have power. So my mistake. It's not middle transfer case differential lock. That's for cutting power for front axle. So rear drive and all drive. So now it is only rear drive. Check front, no power. And when we lock the middle transfer case lock, it would be all axle drive. Front also have power. Yeah, now front have power. So unlock, only rear have power. Now let's check the rear steering. So I set up with a mix control from originally factory not setting like this, so I changed to a SD8 12 channel and with push button back. So later I will request on factory or maybe better setting like this for easier control. So rear axle, independent channel connecting the servo, and mix control for steering when you drive. Axle down have power, also can steering. If you don't like, you can switch off the rear steering. So now, when we lifting, axle going up. After lifting to top, no need maximum top. Yeah, now already lift up. So you can hear the motor getting more noisy, more resistance. You can actually hear it drop, rising. Only when drop, automatically stop. Rising is not automatically stop. So now already rear side no power. So after lifting, you don't want it steering. So switch off the steering. So now with rear axle, no power, no steering, lift up. Drop it, and then it will have power for drive for this axle. And meantime, we can switch on the steering. Switch on. And let's check the rear side mechanism. After we rising, here we will see that's the servo for steering it. And here at the rear, that's the small motor with a gearbox, screw pushing for lifting and dropping the rear axle. Now the rear axle is down. Rear axle with power is coming from the middle axle. So when the rear axle down, it's pulling this wire. You see this pin, it is pulled out. The rear axle will have power. When rear axle lifting, that wire will be released, pin released, rear axle no power. So now rising, you will see here, this mechanism with the axle is lifting up. Lifting up, same time that we will check the wire, the pin, it will be released back. So cut power for the rear axle. Now check here. This pin now it is released. It's going back. So now rear axle, no power. Make a horn, engine sound off. So for this beautiful designing 770S Scania run off damper, so actually we also can do special painting for you and changing settings, also changing radio, different control as you like. You tell me, I will get it done for you. Thank you for watching. See you.